1907 Martin Double O model. This was made out of mahogany back and sides and spruce top. This one has ebony fretboard, ebony bridge, and rosewood on the peghead veneer, and a mahogany neck. This thing came in for some pretty major restoration work. The owner said it was 1907. I checked the serial number, and it appears it was probably made in the beginning of 1908, so very close to what the owner told me. There's no bindings on this instrument, so it must have been a lower-end model at that time. It had some pretty serious cracks in the back and in the sides. It had been dropped at some point. The heel block was all busted up and in pieces. The top had come loose. The cracks traveled all the way around both sides. One side had been repaired years and years ago. At some point, I think somebody's had the top off of this thing, because there's some repair work in there that probably could not have been done without having the top off, and I can see some areas that perhaps some tooling and stuff where the top had been taken off. Also, at some point, somebody attempted a neck reset on this thing, and I think the neck is not original. It appears to be a little bit different than previous Martins that I've seen. It's probably from the period, though, but it appears to be a little bit different. I don't know if the fretboard's original. It looks like it was in pretty good shape. It did have bar frets in it, so if somebody had done any work, it was back at the period where there were bar frets in it. So all the bar frets were removed, and I installed new bar frets, did new fret work, took the bridge off. It was coming off anyway, did some repair work on the bridge plate underneath it and on the top under the bridge, put it back on, and have strung it up. And this guitar, like most guitars from that period, were very lightly built. And if they survived, boy, they sound great. They also have very low end. This one has a very, very low end, like most of the period instruments from that time, because they were so lightly built. It would make a great comping type guitar for some jazz chord kind of stuff. Very clean. It's also a very loud guitar. To make a nice strumming guitar. Finger style also works very well for these minor open chords. It was quite a bit of work to restore this thing, but I'm glad that I did. I'm glad the owner let me do it, because these things, they need to continue on in life. They sound great, and we might as well make them playable again. So thank you for allowing me to work on this instrument. I think it turned out nice. Let's hear what it sounds like. Thanks for watching.